If you are on a low budget, and I think this setup will be okay for you. All right, very simple to set up. This is a 57 cm in size panel from here to there, with my tape measured 57. From here, the diameter from here to that pole, that one there, 27. So you can get this and have it DIY yourself. DIY means do it yourself. You can get it and do it yourself. All right, and then you're good to go. So if you're on a low budget and you're like, how am I going to get at least power for my systems? This is good for you. This is a 190 watt power. This is the railings. All right, and then with this, it comes with this as well. You buy 4 of them if just for one panel. So 1, 2 there, 3 there, and then 4 of them. All right, now you can mark the positions where you're going to put the panel without bringing the panel. You can mark it on the zinc. This position where you're going to put these railings, you can mark it on the zinc without bringing the panel, or you can bring the panel and do it with the panel. Now you on the zinc, look for where you have. Make sure you're climbing the zinc. Make sure your legs are on where you have the nails. Let's look for one where you have nails. Like that other side, you see nails. Now, where you see nails, especially on a straight line, it means there's a wood there. That's where you put your leg. All right, that's where you put your leg. Make sure your legs are always there. So if it's not there, the other side doesn't have wood that can support you. You put your leg outside there, you can fall, and that will be an accident. So make sure your legs are always where you have the nails. And then with your railings, see how I did this. You can decide, you can take it this length, or you can put it somewhere they see the length left, or you can take it this length. The same way with that. All right, and then put your railings, and then nail it on something like this. You see this, not the deeper one where the water flows, on this up one. See, on this, something like this, on this one, not this one, on this one. See where I did mine. Put the nail and nail it. Put your nail and nail it. Now you may wonder, what if I nail and the nail gets here? How will I put it inside? Use this thing, the head of it. Put it on top of the nail and hit it. It will go and meet a wood inside, and then you shake it like this one. See, it's very firm. Do the same thing for the rest. After you place your panel and mark the positions, then pick your panel up, place your panel, mark the positions, and then pick the panel up, put those railings there, and then put your panel, allow a space of at least 1 inch, because I think there's another extension here. I would say maybe you may want to put another panel, but at the other side allow a 1 inch, because I'll add another panel. So if I didn't have a space like this, that's an issue. But have another space like a 1 inch, you screw it up with your spanner, place your panel there, screw it up. Do the same thing for the other part, and then you're good to go. Your panel is set on your roof. That's how you do for the rest, as many panels as possible. You see, now if you watch, I pointed mine to the south direction. Okay, that will be another. I'll explain that in another video. But do that, and then do your connections. Connections will be in another video. All right, do your connections, drag it out, positive to positive, negative to negative. All right, drag it out, and off you go. This panel is a 190 watt panel. It gives what they wrote on the specification is maximum PV maximum 23, but at times I get 30. This panel. So let's assume it's 30, and the current, maximum current is 11 volt. It ranges between 9 to 11 volt. I've never gotten more than 11. Now let's just take it at 10. You have 30 volt times 10 amps. That's 300 watts. That's what this panel sends to my charge controller on a sunlight. Suitable for you, bro. So 300 watts. Wow. Let's go inside and see what I have.